Hey guys, I'm again here with a new and trending topic for all of you. Today's topic is LTM Tournament One Shot Prize. This topic is gathering a lot of attention to the people residing in United Kingdom and United States. I would also expect more views from these two countries. But before proceeding further, do like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel so that we can bring much more informative videos each day. Now, the topic LTM Tournament One Shot Prize speaks about a game and its prize. As you can see in the screen, there are some images of the characters in the particular tournament or the game, which is usually available online. Now, this LTM or limited time mode tournament is organized every Sundays, but variations is viewed every week in the particular tournament. You can now get an opportunity to present your skill through the tournament and get some prizes as well. There is a proper website from where you will be able to get the full details. Do you want to know the name of the website? Yes, I'll tell you. It's www.epicgames.com/fortnite/competitive/news. Yes, this is the website, and I'll just repeat it once more. Just hear it very carefully. Yes, it's www.epicgames.com/fortnite/competitive/news. Yes, from here you will get all the information. People staying in various countries are involved in this game, but mostly the players are from United States. Once you get into the website, you can easily get and see the list of players with the country flag. Just beside it, the points that he or she has acquired is mentioned. Then comes the number of matches which the player or the players has played. Now, the number of wins is also mentioned as well as along with the average ELIMS and AVG plays. Now, you will get the information about it from the website itself. You can also go to Google Help and search about it, the website and the technical terms, and you'll get all the information. Now, again, this game is really very interesting. Just you need to go to the website and you'll get all the information. You will see how to sign into the website, how to stay connected, how to see the players playing the game, and how to participate as well. Now, this uh, uh, this particular keyword LTM tournament one shot prize is now available to all the players who are regularly playing this game. So for today, just this much. I'll come up with more interesting videos. I would again request you to like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel so that we can bring much more informative videos each day. So take care and have a great day. See you soon.